Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a man-sized box here. I know what's in here. I just wanted to open it and let you guys see the opening. It's from my friend George Openhym up in Maryland. He was at a couple of different shows and he said he sent me some pictures. Hey, are you interested in this? And he kind of knows what I like, and I was like, absolutely. So he sent me how much, and so I bought the kits that are in here. So you guys, some of you, there's been one or two people, one guy that made a pretty nasty comment recently about me getting things from you guys, which I removed that comment because it was unnecessary. But some people do, they get upset. I bought these, so don't think that these are just free gifts. I bought these. So yeah, I want to open this up and let you see what they are. By the size of the box, you can tell they're probably not 1/25th scale. So I'm trying to see how this box is made. It may have to be put up on the side. Looks like it might open up on the end, possibly. I don't know. Don't know. It looks like it may. Well, I don't know. Let's just open her all the way up. I had to put the camera up real high so I could do this. Oh, okay. Man, George, how'd you do this? How'd you figure out? How'd you learn to fold boxes like this? How in the world? Oh, right here. There we go. There we go. Alright, that should be done with the razor knife. Oh yeah. I'm crazy. I complain about not having room. And then these giant model kits arrive. So, look at here, look at here. Oh boy. Alright, let's see. I'm excited to see this one. There we go. Look at that big boy. So, gosh, this is giant. I need my glasses so I can read it. What scale is this thing? 16th scale. So 1/16 scale. Porsche 959. Fujimi testers. Oh man. I mean, this is a really big box. That is cool. Opening doors. Oh man, this is neat. Look, what's the date on this thing? Where is the date on this thing? Maybe this one doesn't have a date, possibly. Usually they're down here. Oh, no, here we go. 1988. 1988. Man. This thing was not cheap, by the way. Not cheap at all. And, but what George was able to get for it was way less than what this sells for. So can't wait to get that open to check it out. See what else is in there. I did notice that there are more than, it's like more than two. So I don't know. So I guess George did send something else. But anyway, here's the other one that I purchased. So there, the Minicraft trying to get a glare off of it looking in the camera. 31 Highboy. So that's pretty cool. By Minicraft, and this is also 1/16 scale. So that's really neat. Can't wait to get that one opened and check it out. I can't wait to build some of these larger scale kits, but it's just at this time until I get my model room built, I don't think they'll fit in my display cases. I gave $35 for this one, so that was a great deal. That's what he got it for at the see it right there, $35. He got that one for me for $35, and when he said, "You want this for $35?" I was like, "Yes, absolutely." So that's a cool one to add to the stash. Now what's in here now? I ain't got a clue. Oh, there's two model kits in here. Oh boy, thank you, George. Let's see what this is. Oh, I've seen this before. Man, you did a good job packing this stuff. Alright, so this Minicraft, hope you guys can see this, because it's hard for me to see the dang camera, it's so high up. Minicraft 1/24 Historic Sports Car Collection Ferrari 250 LM. Nice. I have seen this car or this kit before. Oh man, that is too cool. We'll have to check that out on an unboxing video. Thank you, George, for sending me that. But yeah, it says Minicraft. I was looking for a date. Some dating on this. But anyway, man, that's really cool. Thank you so much. Le Mans, by the way. And what else is in here? Oh, that's too small. Oh boy. Too cool. I don't know if you guys can already spot what this is. I don't even know if you can see it where I'm got the camera at. I love these things. I've not even built one before, but I don't think you have to actually have to build one to fall in love with some type of model kit. But look at that. That's your Highway Pioneers. There's your 1907 Renault limousine. And this is 1913 Mercedes-Benz. Look at that. I believe these are old too. 1954 and 1954. So both of them are 54. Remember I did my video on the where they made out of, what was it, cellulose acetate cellulose, something like that. They used to make model kits and then they changed to styrene, because I've got some that were made from the acetate and they're warped up bad. But I can already tell you these are 1954. I think I've got the 53. It seems like when they went to 1954 they started making them in styrene. There's no doubt that is the sound of styrene plastic. This kit's been started a little bit, but yeah, that is definitely styrene there. And that is the coolest old box arts you could ever find, except for Aurora kits. I think I like Aurora's the best, but look at that. And then this Renault, I'm saying it right too, by the way, Renault. I would say Renault, but I'm not French either. So the sounds like styrene. That one is brand new in the bag. You know what? This might be a repop, is it? No, I don't think it is. And the reason I say it's not, if you'll notice right here and right here, see those tapes? That is probably the original tape that they held the kit together, but I've never seen this. Look how they could actually, yeah, this one had it too. They could actually pop these open, it looks like, and hang them on a pin, you know, on the display case. That's neat. Never saw that before. I have to look at my others to see if they look like that. Yeah, that's got where they can pop that, and they could have hung them on a display rack. So 1954. Okay, no, here it is, right here, 1960. So this is a repop. If you want to call a repop a 1960, it is technically a 1960. So that's why for sure they're styrene. Matter of fact, that 1915 Model T right there, that's the one that I got that was made out of the acetate, and it was warped beyond belief. But that's too bad. But yeah, these are cool. And I'm thinking that my friend Mark Batson was wanting to have a buddy build with these things. So if he'll let me know, we'll get something planned, because this Renault limousine looks like a neat one. Well, I think that's all that's in the box, guys. Let me make one final pass. Yep, that's it. Wouldn't want to throw anything in the trash. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this box in the trash. But anyway, thank you guys for all of your support. Let me throw this back up here. Thank you guys for your support of my channel. I'm grateful for it, because of you. You make things like this possible. And the community, the great community, you make things like this possible. Again, I bought this kit, but it was because I had a friend that went to a show that said, hey, I know this. I know Matthew likes this kind of stuff, and sends me a message. So thank you, George Openhym, for sending me these kits, especially the ones that you surprised me with. I'm greatly appreciative for that. Guys, thanks for supporting me and just watching these videos and giving them a like. I appreciate that. That helps me beyond belief. And thank you for being a part of the Facebook group, and you guys who purchase things from the Spring Store, and you Patreon members. I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But most importantly, you guys watching these videos is the sole reason these channels exist, and so thankful for that. So you guys take care. Don't forget to go check out hobbynutmodels.com. Whenever this big dog gets painted, it'll have probably either some Tamiya or some MCW paint laid down on it, and I can't wait to see what that would look like. So you guys go over to hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description below, and grab yourself some much needed hobby supplies, if not a kit or something of that nature. Anyway, if you'll use the link that's in the description, I'll get some credit for it if you do so make a purchase over there, but I'd appreciate it if you try that out. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you all on the next video. Take care from way down here. All right, see ya. Bye.